So, you're thinking about heading to Thessaloniki? Let me tell you, this city is a total gem tucked up in northern Greece, and there's way more to do here than you might expect. Whether you're all about ancient history, hunting down the best street food, or just living for those sunset views, Thessaloniki has you covered. Alright, let's dive right in. First up, the White Tower. I mean, you can't visit Thessaloniki and not see this place. It's sort of like the city's unofficial mascot. Climb to the top for some of the best panoramic views of the harbor and city skyline. Trust me, your camera roll will thank you. Once you've soaked in the view, wander along the waterfront promenade. It's perfect for a chill walk or a quick bike ride. If you keep strolling, you'll hit the iconic umbrellas sculpture. Super artsy, and honestly, it's made for an Instagram story. Now, if you're a history buff, you're in luck. Thessaloniki is absolutely packed with UNESCO spots. The Rotunda is a must. Built by the Romans, turned into a church, then a mosque, and now a museum. Talk about time travel. And just a few blocks away, check out the Arch of Galerius. It's got these crazy detailed carvings, and gives you a feel for just how ancient this city really is. Alright, let's talk food, because Greek food in Thessaloniki is next level. You have to try bougatsa, which is basically a warm, flaky pastry filled with sweet cream or cheese. Grab one from a street vendor and eat it on the go. For lunch or dinner, hit up the Ladadika district. This area is bursting with little tavernas and live music, and the vibe is always lively. Don't leave without sampling some local maize and fresh seafood. And hey, if you're shopping for souvenirs or just want to see how locals live, Modiano Market is where you need to be. It's a maze of stalls selling everything from olives and spices to handmade jewelry. Super fun to explore, even if you're just window shopping. Got a little extra time? Take a side trip up to Anopoli, the upper town. The cobblestone streets are gorgeous, and you'll stumble onto these old Byzantine walls and cute cafes with killer city views. It's quieter up here and feels like a whole different world. And before you leave, do yourself a favor and catch a sunset over the Thermate Gulf. The colors are unreal, especially from the waterfront or one of the rooftop bars. So, that's my cheat sheet for Thessaloniki, a city full of surprises, waiting for you to explore. Whether you're here for the history, the food, or just the chill Mediterranean vibes, I promise you'll want to come back. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this guide, hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, and I'll see you wherever the world takes us next.